I'm going to show you how you can easily fix why are your TikTok videos not getting any views. First, open your TikTok application on your mobile device. Then tap on the profile icon located at the bottom right corner. Now select any video and tap on the three dots icon to bring up more options. Next, swipe through the menu and tap on Privacy Settings. Here, check if your video's visibility is set to everyone. If it's set to private, only you can see it, which might be why you're not getting any views. Then, ensure that Allow Duet and Allow Others to Have Story are enabled. These options can boost interaction by allowing other users to engage with your content through duets or by adding your videos to their stories. Higher interaction often leads to greater visibility, helping your content reach more viewers. Lastly, it's worth checking if you've used hashtags or trends that are relevant, as this can impact how TikTok promotes your videos to new audiences.